Check it out. This is Speak Easy. We'll be getting into it on tapmilwaukee.com. Let's go. Speak easy. I sit back playing classic Anita Baker. Pause for a moment, give thanks to my creator. Full speed ahead, bypassing all the haters, moving up like elevators in the skyscraper. I hear a lot of chat about the baddest on the block or the baddest in the trap. Enough of all that, I can supply them all with a GPS, and I bet they still couldn't put our city on the map. Yeah, it's like that. Check, beyond reproach. Hip-hop connoisseur, they you like life without the Heimlich maneuver. You can travel the world in the 7 seas and still will never find another kind like me. I see meaning self-proclamations, no evidence. Swear they got a lock, but all the farthest from relevant. Keeping on the surface is what everybody hollering, cause they tune you out when it's close to the oceanography. Ha, that's just deep. Yeah. Well, excuse me for having thoughts that's provoking them. Then I rock the mic like I was Mean Gene Okerlund. I depict images and bars to live infinite. In other words, I'm giving out life sentences. Speak easy, the chancellor of metaphors. Giving what I got until I'm off, bonjour. Blow barbaric on wax, I share it because I'm one in a million. So don't try to compare this. Nah. Yo, high level, read between the kick drum. Usain Bolt flow, they following my sneak, son. One man army with enough ammunition to swallow you little dudes too high off ambition. Going in the sun, and my lens transition to rap. I'm trying to have a wingspan like Scott Pippen. 7, 2, and 10, so pardon me while I'm winning. And the smirk on my face is me grinning. Ha! Yeah, nothing compares. Check. So the moral of this story is, you might do what you do, you might even do it well, but when it comes to me and this thing right here on tapmilwaukee.com, absolutely nothing else compares. Yeah. Speak easy, and I'm out.